Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Techno's first flagship laptop, the Megabook S1 with USB4 support and 3.2K 120Hz display. So friend, Techno has recently announced the latest Megabook S1 at TECNO Flagship Product Launch 2022 in Dubai and delivering its first flagship laptop to users. And friend, it provides lightest, thinnest of 15.6-inch business creative laptops in mega performance with only 1.35 kg plus 13.5 mm of thickness, and it is made with a magnesium alloy body plus the industry's first Iceless and Craft technology in the industry, and with nanomaterials painting for 5 layers of overlapping spray. It provides users with comfortable experience without having to worry about all fingerprints left on the surface, which keeps the laptop well maintained and always looks new. And this is powered by Intel Core latest i7 1260B processor and use the newest LPDDR5 RAM of 8GB or 16GB, and the frequency of our LPDDR5 is up to 5200 MHz, and is provided by PCIe 4.0 512GB per 1TB SSD large storage, support reading speed up to 5000 MB per second and writing speed up to 4800 MB per second. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.